Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Wawa Rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in wawarewards.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa Rewards page. Now from this page, click on the create account button at the top right corner and you will now be taken into the sign up page. You can either use your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account, or you can type in your email address and your password. After entering your email address and your desired password for your account, click on the continue button and now you will be asked to fill up your first and your last name followed by your date of birth, your gender as well as your phone number. So fill up the form with your name, your date of birth and your gender. While your date of birth and gender is not mandatory, it is essential to enter your name and your phone number. After entering your phone number, you have the option to add any reward card that you have picked up in a store, which is optional. If you choose this, just enter the card number and then click on the continue button. After you continue forward with your essential credentials, you will be logged into your newly created account and now you will be able to use your Wawa Rewards account right away. Make sure to check your inbox and see if there's any email sent from the support team to verify your account. You will need to click on verify my email if you see such an email within your registered account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Wawa Rewards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.